Hi, good morning, students. Today I will teach you about gravitation, law of gravitational, and so many things related to gravitation, that is gravitational potential energy, gravitational field. So, first I would like to say about what is gravitation and what is gravity. We all see around us that all objects falls when we leave any objects. There is those there is two sense generate in my mind that if the object has its own tendency of fall down, or that earth is attracting all objects. First time in 1680, Mr. Isaac Newton, when he was in a field and an apple fall down, he noticed that apple fall down, and what is the reason? The main thing in that episode is the why apple fall down, and sequentially Newton has given a conclusion that the earth attracts everything towards itself, that is called gravitational force, and we know that is gravity. When we think about gravitation or the effect of gravity, the effect of gravitation from a falling of an apple to the universe, we can see, we can assume that the effect of law of gravitation, or due to the law of gravitation, the all planet moving in the elliptical orbit around the sun due to only the law of gravitation, due to only the gravitational force. Further, Kepler's has given very important 2-3 laws. He told that the earth is situated at one of its foci and all planets are revolving around the sun on elliptical orbit. Second law, he stated that the equal area any planet while revolving in the elliptical orbit swept equal area in equal interval of time. And third law, he states that the average radius, the cube of average radius is proportional to a square of the time period. But the main thing is that when we think about, let us see, when we think about the case of inertia. What is inertia? Simply we think, what is inertia? Inertia is a state of an object. When any object is in rest, it must be in rest, it will be in rest, unless and until any force external is not applied on that object to change its state. Similarly, if anybody is in motion, they want to move, till any force external is not disturbed his motion. This is why the inertia of rest and inertia of motion is a particular property of an object which belongs to mass. On the same thing, we have seen that when any two object kept at a distance r, the any mass, the main thing of the gravitation is that the gravitational force is directly depend upon the mass, or it is a mass based force. First thing. Second thing, the gravitational force is only attractive in nature. That is, this implies that the gravitational force will have never the tendency of repulsion. And third point, and the third point is that the gravitational force applied by first body on second body and second body on first body must be same.